Hello, my name is Richard Booker. I'm the Assistant Forest Manager for Boggs Mountain Demonstration State Forest and CAL FIRE's Sonoma-Lake-Napa unit. We are here today at the Boggs Mountain Demonstration State Forest for the annual Bike Monkey mountain bike endurance event. Bike Monkey have supported Boggs Forest and the Cobb community for the last 19 years. More notably, their outpouring support to the local groups and businesses in reestablishing the 23-mile trail network here on the forest that was destroyed in the 2015 Valley Fire. This event demonstrates the special use process in the State Forest Recreation Program. Events such as this that require specific reservations compared to the typical family setting is what we use as an example of a special use. Special events benefit the Demonstration State Forest, the local communities, and local programs in a variety of ways that are compatible to their uses. To inquire about holding an event here on Boggs Mountain or want to know more about the Demonstration State Forest, visit us online at www.fire.ca.gov.